Distinguished guests, my lords, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our partners, our sponsors, our supporters and our speakers, I'd like to welcome you here to the Guildhall for the 9th Annual City Week.
And while it's important that we establish our future regulatory relationship with the EU, the fact of the matter is that London isn't a European financial hub, it's a global financial hub, and we must never forget that.
The title of the next panel discussion therefore raises a very pertinent question for global regulators. Where next?
We also need to take the opportunity of the positive economic performance to tackle other legacies from the crisis, especially social inequalities, and to reinforce the economic and monetary union. We need to fix the roof while the sun is shining and ensure that the euro continues to be a source of stability.
Now I understand people's concerns. We were in the middle of a fundamental change of direction, and the unwillingness of Parliament, I have to say, to give certainty exacerbates the situation. But I'm convinced that when the dust settles, the City of London will do what it always does, which is to emerge fitter, stronger, and more dynamic than ever.
I continue to think that London will remain a very important one of the leading financial places in the world because of culture, because of the market infrastructure, because of the expertise that we have here, because of, I hope, London still being and hoping to remain a very global cosmopolitan city.